Okay.
Oh.
Is there a big squid behind me? I just have this feeling.
What are you watching, Levi?
Dinosaur
train.
Oh.
Cool. Are we in Crossfield? Are we, Mom? I will go back to Levi and Luke's show. Today we're seeing a train.
That was so much fun to watch.
Can we stop doing so much train videos?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I want to, Levi.
But can we do some other videos that's not just trains?
Yeah.
Time to head back to the dinosaur train.
Okay, follow me.
Levi,
Woo!
you're literally watching the dinosaur
Anyone want to
train.
help me pilot the submarine?
Train spirits.
What the train spirit's talking? That's so cool.
What does it mean?
What do trains do?
They drive on tracks.
Yeah, what else do?
Oh, I think I know. Stay on track.
Good job, Levi. You know what else to do?
Oh my, this is so cool.
So
Deliver to
carry.
people.
Maybe that means like.
Holy, this is
Stay
so
on track and
long.
know you have all the resources to do what you need to
Thanks
do.
for showing us your neck of the Triassic Ocean.
Good job.
But I
Levi.
still don't realize.
You too, Pteranodon.
Do you know what that means? You have all the resources you need.
Come
It
down
means you
deep
have
and
everything
visit
you
again.
need to do what you need to do. So just do it. Stay on track. Love it, Levi. Luke, this is a long train. Did you wish for a long
Look.
train? Oh, Kansas City? That came all the way from Kansas City? Cool. Can number video, Levy?
Okay.
Ride, 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 dinosaur train.
I would like to do.
Oh, now ride, ride, ride. Dinosaur train.
I might see the train over there.